Hello folks, welcome back to Trend Top. Tesla Cybertruck is the second major Tesla vehicle outside the mainline's S3XY lineup. The first outsider actually predated the line, the Roadster. This outsider is a very different beast. However, the Tesla Cybertruck is the automaker's take on a pickup truck, and it's an absolute unit. As Tesla Cybertruck customers wait to hear if they'll be receiving their pickup before the end of the year, CEO Elon Musk recently announced a new feature for the vehicle. Tweeting in response to an inquiry about the Cybertruck, Musk had said that while the futuristic all-electric pickup will launch almost exactly as shown at the original unveiling event in November 2019, the designing team is also adding rear-wheel steering for improved maneuverability. Musk didn't go into detail about the Cybertruck's rear-wheel steering, so we'll have to wait and see whether it mirrors the yet-to-launch GMC Hummer EV's crab walk mode that pivots the front and the rear wheels in the same direction for diagonal movement. Friday afternoons are usually Tesla design studio time. Cybertruck will be almost exactly what as shown. We're adding rear wheel steering so it can do tight turns and maneuver with high agility. Lot of other great things coming at Elon Musk. Alternatively, the Cybertruck's incoming steering feature could see the rear wheels turn into the opposite direction from the front wheels, enabling a tighter circle, bringing the future to the sizable Cybertruck certainly makes sense. And some will be wondering why Tesla didn't announce it at the start. Without the feature, Cybertruck drivers would end up grabbing attention not only for the vehicle's extraordinary look, but also for a 9-point turn they have to execute every time they try to get into a narrow parking space. Depending on how Tesla designs the rear wheel steering feature could also subtly deploy at faster speeds, whereby the rear wheels move in the same direction as the front wheels for smoother lane transfer. In his tweet, Musk also promised a lot of other things coming to the Cybertruck. Though he declined to go into details. Tesla will build the Cybertruck at a plant that's currently under construction in Austin, Texas, with the electric car company aiming to bring the vehicle to the market by the end of this year. According to the company, more than 500,000 people have pre-ordered the pickup, which currently requires only a $100 deposit rather than any substantial payment. Coming in three versions, the $39,900 version features a single electric motor, a 250-mile range, and a towing capacity of 7,500 pounds. The Tesla Cybertruck looks like it was dropped off by an alien race, but it has capabilities to challenge all top-selling pickup trucks. With a sharp-edged exterior that is made of scratch and dent-resistant stainless steel, Tesla all-electric truck is seriously tough. Along with available all-wheel drive, Cybertruck can tow up to 14,000 pounds and has an estimated driving range of 500 plus miles. While that applies only to the most expensive model and the cheapest one starts at $39,900, of course. There's still a lot we don't know about the Cybertruck, including when it will officially go on to the sale. Right now, it looks as the first version will go into production in late 2022. Tesla is expanding its lineup to include one of the most popular body styles in America, the pickup truck, with seriously impressive stats for both an EV and a pickup. The Cybertruck gives the company a potentially strong seller given how well trucks sell in this country. However, it'll have to compete with the Ford F-150 Lightning and the GMC Hummer EV, the Rivian R1T right out the gate. Chevy is also planning an electric Silverado in the next couple of years, and Ram says it'll have an EV with a truck bed by 2024. Pricing and which one to buy. The Cybertruck will be available in 3 different configurations, which are all based on the number of electric motors each has. While all-wheel drive is standard on all but single motor version, each additional motor means quicker acceleration, long driving range, and greater towing capacity, engine, transmission, and performance. The Cybertruck is available with not just one, not just 2, but 3 electric motors. While the single motor truck has a rear wheel drive, the 2 and the 3 motor models have all-wheel drive. Tesla claims it'll go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and top out at 110 mph. The dual-motor Cybertruck will reportedly reach to 60 mph in just 4.5 ticks and have top speed of 120 mph. Those looking for the ultimate performance will appreciate the 3-modal model, which Tesla says will essentially teleport from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, with a top speed of 130 mph. All Cybertrucks have an adjustment air suspension that can be raised or lowered on the fly and provides up to 16 inches of ground clearance. Add that to its 35-degree approach and 28-degree departure angles, and the Tesla pickup could prove to be a formidable off-road machine. Towing and payload capacity. If the Cybertruck can really tow as much as Tesla claims, it will have a higher maximum ranging than popular alternatives such as the Ram 1500, while the single and dual motor Teslas have a maximum tow rating of 7,500 and 10,000 pounds respectively. Models with a third motor will be able to pull a whopping of 14,000 pounds. Every Cybertruck can also haul 3,500 pounds in its 6.5-foot cargo bed. Range, charging and battery life. Tesla didn't reveal the size of the batteries that will power its electrified pickup. However, every model will have a 250 watt charging cable. Of course, it will also have access to Tesla's vast network of superchargers. Its driving range varies with the number of motors, but Tesla claims the single motor has a range of 250 plus miles. The dual motor boasts 300 plus miles of range, and top-tier tri-motor setup should provide more than 500 miles on a single charge. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Since there aren't many official ratings for the Cybertruck, we can only go off Tesla's preliminary estimates. Likewise, we'll also have to wait until we get our hands on the real production model to test its ambitious maximum driving range in the real world. For more information about the Cybertruck's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior comfort and cargo. Those who thought the Tesla Model 3 interior was minimalistic will relieve that reaction when they see the Spartan cabin. While many standard features and options haven't been disclosed, the first images show a slab-like dashboard that is solely dominated by one large touchscreen. Its squared-off steering wheel looks to have some sort of illuminated display, but nothing has been confirmed. The Cybertruck will also be able to seat up to 6 people, and its 6.4 cargo bed offers 100 cubic feet of volume. It also has a nifty slide-out tailgate that doubles as a ramp offload four-wheelers and motorcycles. Infotainment and connectivity. As with the most of interior specific details about the Cybertruck's infotainment system are largely a mystery. However, we do know every model will have a big 17-inch touchscreen that is horizontally mounted in the center of the dashboard. Safety and drive assistance features. Every model will feature Tesla's controversial self-driving autopilot feature, and the company says it will offer a full self-driving option for $7,000. We also expect other driver assistance technology to be available. For more information about the Cybertruck's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Warranty and maintenance. Coverage. Tesla provides a comprehensive warranty on its current models. However, it doesn't include any complimentary maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 8 years regardless of miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. How to buy a Tesla Cybertruck. If you've read all this and you're still interested in buying the Cybertruck for yourself, well, the current process is easy, although it may take some time. To get yourself behind the wheel of this upcoming Tesla truck, you simply need to visit Tesla's website, choose a powertrain, and out $100 down to confirm your reservation. Remember though, there are currently over 1 million people in the line ahead of you. That being said, a fully refundable $100 deposit won't break the bank for most people. So when their number is eventually called, one can imagine many of them will end up not dishing out the additional $40,000 to $70,000 to complete with their purchase. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.